up, YouTube? This is your boy Dylan here.
Yo, what up, guys? It's Wally's Welding World here, also known as the Weld Professor. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna do a wraparound around the pipe today, and I'm just kind of showing you guys. A lot of people don't know how to use these wraparounds, and I'm just gonna kind of show you guys an idea on how to use a wraparound. Now, I got stuck out here without a beveling machine, and of course, I got to cut a straight line across it. And I'm getting all out of focus. Now, as you get your wraparound around, you know, give it a good slide, make sure it's flat. Now when you're sliding it, line it up on your cut line and then wrap it over and match it. I'm gonna show you what I mean by matching it. Is you need that strap to be down like that, and you need it to line up perfectly with the other part of the strap all the way around, and that's how you know you're going to get a perfect wraparound. All right, guys, just a little quick video, man. Just wanted to share that with you.